Hello, I'm Brian. Most of the people come to LedPosters with different expectations. They don't all start from the same place. Some of them may have seen the posters at an event and thought, this looks interesting, maybe we need one. Or some of them have been using similar products for years and now they are thinking about upgrading to a better solution. But here's the problem that most people start searching before they clearly understand what they actually need. Or you can say they don't understand their requirements 100% before choosing an ad poster. So as an expert in this video, I would like to walk you through key requirements that you should know in advance. There are 4 sections. Let's quickly go over them and dive into the details later. The first is the frequent usage. It includes frequency and location. Will you use the posters weekly, monthly, or just occasionally? Or will you use them in one place or multiple locations? The second is the splicing usage. It includes the efficiency and accuracy. The third is nationwide usage. It's related with climatic effects and transportation. The fourth is multi-application scenarios, excluding the basic standing, where you can see the wall mounting, hanging mounting, or truss mounting. Now let's view the frequent usage. If you use the posters frequently, for example, weekly, or even more, the labor costs become a key factor, especially in markets like the United States, where the labor fee is quite expensive. Here's a comparison spreadsheet about the labor cost for reference. If the on-site work can be handled by one person, 50 events per year over 3 years, the total cost of the labor fee is $52,500. If the same work requires 2 persons, and over 3 years, the total cost is $105,000. That's a significant difference. If your event is less frequent, such as 20 or 10 per year, and over 3 years, the total cost is $21,000. The cost gap is smaller. I have another video titled How You Can Reduce the Total Cost of the Ownership when choosing the posters. You can watch more details in that video. Overall, if you have a frequent usage request, when you choose the poster solution from the supplier, you need to ensure one person can complete the on-site setup so that you can save lots of money on the labor. Here is our solution for reference. We do the foldable poster and making the flat case side loading and unloading so that one person can take the posters out from the flat case, enabling one person completes on-site work. I have another video on my channel showing the unpacking process details. You can watch it if you are interested. Next is the splicing usage. The splicing is not just about connecting the posters together to a single and large size screen. It is about how quickly and accurately you can achieve a perfect result every time. Most suppliers will confirm that their posters can be spliced together. However, what's often overlooked is the splicing accuracy. Without a precise locking and alignment system, eventually you will spend more time adjusting alignment and flatness than actually linking the posters together. So we strongly recommend avoiding too unqualified components. The poor precision hook locks and the non-durable hinge structure. Over time, these components will wear out, twist or tilt, making the splicing work much painful and frustrating. Here are our solution for reference. The reinforced hook locks securely fixed on the cabinet for precise splicing. The reversed cover frame or bezel, allowing a quick and efficient seamless splicing. A steel durable 4-axis joint hinge, ensuring constant positioning and preventing misalignment over time. Next, let's go for the nationwide usage. If your posters are used across different regions, especially nationwide, you must consider the environmental factors, especially the temperature changes in wintertime. Let me share with you a real case so you can instantly understand it. Last year, one of my customers in New York used the 1.8 GOB posters in wintertime, and at that day the temperature was minus 16 Celsius, about 3 Fahrenheit, and the panels were wrapped like this. Looks like waves. The reason is the surface glue of the panel was contracted. So by the time the poster arrived at the venue, the deformation had already happened, resulting in thousands of dollars in loss, plus the disruption of the event. So you may wonder that since the posters are used indoors, this should be a problem. Yes, you are right. This situation actually happened during transit from our customer's warehouse to venue. Happened here. So this situation is easily overlooked if you don't have sufficient experience. You may wonder that do we have any solution to solve this problem? Yes, we have. There are two ways. One is don't use the posters, don't use the GOB posters when the outside temperature below minus 10 degrees. Just don't use it. You can choose a more advanced solution. That is using the COB panels. The COB panels can operate reliably in the temperature ranging from minus 10 Celsius to minus 20 Celsius, equal to 14 Fahrenheit to 4 Fahrenheit. This enables the poster more suitable for nationwide transportation in wintertime. Last is the multi-application scenarios. The base standing is the most commonly used setup for LED posters. However, if you consider using posters in more different scenarios, such as the wall mounting for a trade show, or hanging mounting for a showroom, or truss mounting for staging, then the flexibility is essential. The key requirement is the controller box must remain integrated with the poster after removing the base stand. Inside the controller box, the T50 controller card allows you to link the posters together via the HDMI cable or Ethernet cables. Also upload the content via the mobile phone or laptop. In addition, the pre-designed mounting points must support more different installation methods, such as the mounting bar and capital screws for wall mounting, and ear rings plus steel ropes for hanging, and mounting bar plus hook locks for truss mounting. So those are the requirements that we think you should know before choosing the LED posters from the supplier. Your requirements are the top priority. If you found this video helpful for your business, please don't forget to like this video or leave your comments if any questions. We look forward to speaking with you soon.